Hello, I'm Beth Brandenburg. I'm principal at North Park. Tonight is our Meet the Teacher night, and we have had a wonderful crowd. You can probably see bubbles in the background and hear music. The kids are having fun, and parents are finding out information they need for the first day of school. We're having them fill out transportation information so we can call them with their bus number and times next week. We're having them get car tags because our families will come into the school through the car lane and not come into the building this year. So we encourage everybody to get a car tag and also to check out our video about our transportation procedures on Facebook before we start school next week. We're glad that everybody's here, and we look forward to a wonderful year. Masks are highly encouraged but not required at this time. We encourage you to wear masks if your child is riding the bus. Masks are mandatory. We look forward to seeing you on the 12th.
Hi, I am Jill Monday with the Hardin County Preschool Program.
I'm Kimberly Lefevre.
And we are here at North Park's open house, registering children for preschool. It's never too late to fill out an application for preschool. We'd love to have that. We do screenings year-round, enroll children year-round, just whenever they qualify. We'd love to have your child in our program.
Hi, I'm Casey Richards, and we're here at North Park, and we are working on signing in students for car pickup and getting their tags so they can all get home safely.
Hi, I'm Lauren Thomas. I'm a special education teacher here at North Park, and we are taking registration forms and birth certificates.
Hi everybody, I'm Julie. I work at North Park with special ed, and we are so excited for everybody to get to come back and start this next 21-22 school year. It's going to be awesome. Looking forward to seeing you.
Yes, my name is Holly. I'm with Healthy Kids Clinic. We do well child exams, immunizations, any type of seizures or allergies or anything like that. We can take care of them that way as well. Any food allergies, we have the Leanne, right, from Dietary here as well. She takes care of that as well. There is a form that goes home the first day of school from Healthy Kids Clinic. They'll fill that out, and we have a nurse practitioner that also comes to the school that does well child exams, and any issues that arise, we are here to help the students. Great.
My name's Leanne Davidson. I'm the kitchen manager over here at North Park Elementary. We do provide lunch and breakfast free of charge for your kids. If they do have any allergies or any special food needs, there is a form that needs to be filled out by the doctor. And you will get a green form in your go-home packets. There's a federal form in there. It's green. Please fill that out and send that back to the school. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions, feel free to call me.
Say bye. Thank you for coming. Bye.